Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about some important topics about the database and what are the important topics on database management system, and what are the, you can say, in Git what they will ask like. So today we will discuss about that one. So let's get started. So I hope everybody is fine and everybody is, you can say, doing good work. So let me share my screen. Before wasting time, we can start. Let me share my screen. Just hold on. Just, I hope everybody is like able to see my screen. So yeah. So let me use some pen. So this is the PDF that I created, like some important topic and quick revision and quick guidance for that database. So let me, you can see, start one by one. So first topic is I have created like when the first topic is functional dependency. In this topic, they can ask only like functional dependencies type question like they will give some relation and they will ask some based on the properties and based on the functional dependency task. Sorry, types. They can ask like find the functional verify the functional dependency, and you need to revise these like I will just let me like tell the definition of functional dependency. Functional dependency, it's likely whenever we are giving a unique value for, suppose x tends to y is there, and whenever we are giving a unique value from left side, it will always give a unique value. So that is called a functional dependency. So in this topic, you need to revise the functional dependency attribute and set, and you just revise the theory of you can say key types of functional dependency, and you need to focus on like candidate key and closure of attribute. And in this topic, like uh, keys is important only, and they can ask, and you can also revise some super key, primary key. These are the primary key are there. So you need to revise this one. And the second topic is key concept and minimal cover. This is the you can say important topic. In this topic, they can ask like find the candidate key and how many candidate keys are present in the relation and how many super keys are present in the relation. And they will ask for minimum cover also, like key. They will give some relation and they will just tell like find the minimal cover of this relation. So you need to revise that this one only. So this is the topic is even important. And key comes, yeah, in this topic, these are the, you can say, key topics are there. As already told you, primary key, super key, yeah, minimal cover. And you can say key, they will all ask. You also know for minimal cover, there are four steps are there. So you already know. So you revise, you can see key properly that one. And the most important like is a normalization. You will all you as of, I hope you are like, I don't know you observe or not, like every year they're asking like one to two question from this topic, like first normal form. In this topic they will ask only you can say just check a given relation in you can say which normal form, like a what kind of normal form. So they will give some relation attribute and they will told you to find the, you can say, normal form. So you need to revise first normal form, second normal form. Let me tell the definition also. First normal is like all that will give you always atomic value, means it will not repeating, means that will not give a repeating value. It will not repeat, that will give only unique and atomic value. And the second normal form is like a no partial function dependency. Like partial function dependency, you also know, like when non-prime attributes depend on the prime attribute, then we call as a partial functional dependency. So this is the, and the third normal form is also BCNF also. These are the, you can say some important points from the, you can say normalization. You have to revise it. Okay, so you just focus on this one also, like yeah, you need to focus on this one also. Okay, yeah, this is the topics important, huh? Very important from my point of view. And the second fourth one is decomposition and keys. Normal, I like most of the case they will not, you can say key told you to decompose the relation. They will ask some properties like lossless, joint decomposition, these kind of thing they can ask. But you need to provide revise only these kind of thing, lossy, lossless. You need to revise these kind of things only. But and you can say key expect one to question from like almost every year. Yeah, for not for decomposition, you can say key, you can say key both normalization and decomposition. You can expect a one to two question from every year. And the fifth one is transaction serializability. In this topic, like key, you will get at least one question from this topic, because I observe in previous year, I have not attended previous year exam, but in 2024, yes, they are I think they ask from the one question from this topic. So please revise these topics properly. Transaction is there, is a property is there, serial schedule, non-serial schedule, in conflict serializable, and use a precedence graph, view serializable. So this is topic is two. So use, you can say revise each and every topic properly. Okay, you can this year you can expect, you can say from my point of view, two questions from this topic. And SQL, this is the most important topic. You can say okay, every year you will see one question or two question from this topic. So please revise this topic, you can say key properly. And this topic is not this topic is important for not for data also. This is important for, you can say key, our master also. And everywhere you will see SQL in your placement and your exam, in your tech, and everywhere you will see this one. So please revise this SQL chapter is very properly. And the seventh one is like the indexing. In this indexing chapter is also important. In this chapter, they will ask like question from the B and B plus tree, as already mentioned. And indexing like in this one graph is there in the indexing. You just revise that one graph. You can say is primary indexing is there, secondary string is there, clustering. So you need to revise every indexing, you can say in a proper manner. So you will get the confidence and you can easily solve the question. The eighth one is in relational algebra in the ER diagram. So you can say कि in relational algebra, now most of the case they are not asking you can say a question, but from ER diagram every year they are asking only for 1 marks question. I already mentioned, as you can see. So you can say they will ask definitely, you can say ER diagram. They can ask the question from ER diagram also. So you just revise this chapter also, ER diagram. So relation ISO, these are the topics I have already mentioned in PDF. So you can watch and you can say revise these. If you revise these topic and these, you can say uh, topic, and you can say what in inside the topic whatever content is there, if you revise properly, trust me, you can solve the any database question from my experience. And trust me, this is the my, you can say scoring subject, and I have a lot of confidence on in this subject. So that's why I'm saying to you, so revise these subs properly. I already shared functional dependency, key concept, normalization, and decomposition, transaction serializability, SQL indexing, relation algebra, and ER diagram. And like the, you can say key, for my opinions, let's this is the related to like database, and you just revise these topic, you can easily crack it. Only you can easily score at any marks. And lastly, I can say ki do not take any stress and do not feel demotivated, and do not think about future like ki what will happen, है ना? We know, and now it's just take properly sleep and take a rest, and like do some your meditation, and you can say trust yourself and trust your hard work. If you really good did a good work, definitely you will get something and you will achieve a lot of things. One exam will not decide ki you are a failure on your you will not get anything in your life. There are a lot of options, there are a lot of opportunity. But whatever you want to do and whatever you are doing, just put your 100%. That's it. In our hand, and anyone in our hand, just one thing is there. You can say, "Okay, we can put our 100% only." That's it. We don't know the result. Nobody is know. You can say, "Okay, know the result, है ना?" You can say, if we now we will think about the exam or result, what actually see, like what will happen. I will get college, I will get good something good or not, like that, like that. So that's a waste of time now, because you can say you don't. If you think like that and you are not doing anything, so definitely you will not get anything, because you are totally wasting your time for overthinking and a lot of things, you can say, disturbance. So don't think too much, just proper revise each and every topic properly, and take you can proper sleep, do meditation, and you can say trust yourself. Definitely you will achieve in your something, you will achieve something in your good life, is in your life something good. So best of luck, guys, and I hope you like this video will helpful for you. If you find this videos helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel and support me, so I will provide a better thing in future, and I will put my 100% to make your career and make your future good bright. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.